I realized that this airplane is bigger. Why is
Yeah,
that, Jim? Because
why? This difference, it's a wide body.
yeah, because we're gonna stop Denver
Middle seat.
and
Perfect for family.
Denver to Portland. Very big seat, Jim.
Four seat middle.
Yeah.
You have this one. Put your cell phone.
That-
And we'll put your cell phone. Done. And you're charging. Down there charging.
Boys.
Yeah, charging down the bottom. Right down here. We have airplane charging.
So the airplane, I like this. We can four of us. There's that. There's the boys there,
Justin.
and there's Daddy.
That's too close.
Daddy. And there's Justin and Joshua. We're the same row. Denver to,
Portland, sorry, Chicago to Denver.
and then Denver to Portland. So we're gonna stop. Two airplane, huh? First airplane. But I like this one because the airplane is bigger. So we'll see. Happy flight.